Hello, this is Baptiste from Crisp. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Crisp with a Twilio SMS phone number. Let's get down to it. First, you need to go on app.crisp.chat, then to plugins. Click on Twilio. Now the Twilio plugin requires two tokens, the account SID and the account token. We need to get those two tokens on the Twilio's dashboard. From the Twilio's dashboard, here we can get the account SID, we copy the account SID, and then the account token. Now we can save. Now we can pick our phone number in the list. Now you should be able to receive text messages and Crisp. As you can see, we just received our first text message on Crisp. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss any update. You can also go on crisp.chat if you have any issue. Thanks!